Hello.
Hi, how
This
can I help you
this
today?
is where fines are paid, huh?
Yeah, you can film in the hallway, but you cannot film beyond the glass because we have sensitive information.
I know. I'm not coming up to the glass or anything.
Okay, but behind the glass there's sensitive information. But you can film in the hallway, and I can help you if you have any questions.
Yeah, Joe. So how many people on a daily basis would you say comes by here and pays fines?
I can help you if you have questions. Do you have like a case?
No. I was just in general. I'm a journalist.
Okay.
Do y'all take cash?
Yeah, we take cash, credit, or debit cards, but I can help you if you have a case that you need help with or you have questions specific to your scenario.
I was just curious. Do y'all have a vault here or?
That is not specific to you or a case that is helping you. I'm here to help the public. So if you have a question about a process or
Well, I mean, it's a
your
question
case,
about the process. Like I'm just
asking if we have a vault.
it's just questions. What would you say that y'all have pulled in on a daily basis in fines? Like what is the average that y'all?
I can't discuss any of that. I don't even know that information. I can just help you if you have a question about your case. I can help you with if you need a process explained to you about how to file a case. That's what I can help you with. I'm just here to help the public.
I am too.
Okay.
We're both here to do the same thing.
Okay. But like asking if there's a vault here, I don't feel like is helping the public or about any of that. I don't know how to help you with those questions.
How many cameras would you say are around the vault?
I don't even know if there's a vault, so I can't explain or discuss any of that with you because I don't know that information. I'm here to help you.
I got you. Yeah. All right.
Is there anything that I can help you with about a process?
No.
Specifically?
No, ma'am. Hey, how you doing, man?
How are you doing?
Doing good.
What's going on today?
Oh, just walking around, asking questions.
Can I help answer your questions for you, or?
No. I think we're good. We're good.
Is there anything specific that you're trying to get a recording of, or any information you needed?
Oh well, I'd asked her like as far as like about how many people come by here and pay fines on a daily basis.
Okay.
They take cash here. Just general questions.
Are you with
normal questions?
Are you with like a news agency, or are you with anybody?
Yeah.
Oh, who are you with?
Honestly, I don't want to answer questions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The only thing, like, I just have to make sure you're not recording like any private information.
Oh no.
So,
I'm standing back. That's why I was standing back here and asking.
Okay. If we can do anything to help you, let me know.
All right, I appreciate it, man.
Okay. Have a good
All
one.
right, thank you. Hello. Oh, I'm just looking around. I saw the sign over at the 2nd District for the Public Defender's Office. I'm trying to make a grammar request from the Public Defender's Office.
For the Public Defender's Office?
But it looked like it was just a vacant one-person office.
Our public defenders in the juvenile court aren't in this building. They have like their own offices.
Well, it wouldn't be just. I just happened to wind up down here at the juvenile section. I was looking, like, honestly, for the public defender's office for regular court.
I don't know where that is in this building. You have to ask the district court.
Okay.
And they're right across from where the bailiffs were sitting there.
Okay. Yeah, I went into the 2nd District Court and everybody was gone. I mean, it is pretty late, so.
We are open until 5, so there should be some double doors right across from the metal detectors, and that's where the
Okay, all right, thank you.
I forgot to tell you. So you can't take any cameras past here because it's juvenile, and they have other rights. Like we can't record anything juvenile.
All right.
So like the juvenile court window, and these are all, well, starting with courtroom 8.
Yeah, she didn't say anything about it. I
Yeah.
didn't see it on there.
Like it's posted here.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, because we have our guardian ad litem, and then we have all juvenile. Like there's lots of juveniles down here, and so we can't have you record in the juvenile halls. So I should have told you when I was down there. But like all the other public areas.
Hey, how many cameras would you say are in here?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Why not?
I don't know. Why won't you tell me your name or what you're working for? Same thing.
I was just counting the cameras. You
Yeah,
know,
that's kind of weird. Why are you doing that?
I was just curious.
Yeah, it's kind of a
Cameras-
security risk, isn't it?
Yeah, cameras
Yeah,
are-
you're recording the cameras, asking about vaults. Like we have vaults here. That's pretty crazy.
Cameras everywhere, right?
No, it is 2025. It is 2025. Just like yours.
I'm not going in there.
I know, but you're recording in there.
You can't trespass the eyes, though.
What's that?
I said you can't trespass the eyes, though. You know, as long as I don't go into that restricted space. Well, we got confession booths over here. Electronic confession booths.
I wish. So, the internet always has retrieval scars.
Ah. Well, that's not fun. Uh-oh. Not good. How long has it been broken? How long has it been broken?
I believe today.
Right? Yeah, because that's another thing that I do is I actually check ADA Title II compliance buttons, make sure everything is up to spec and working properly.
Not today.
Gotcha. Do you know of any other? Is that the only one in here that doesn't work? Gotcha. Hey, yeah, I was wanting to make a grammar request.
Okay, have you filled out the paperwork?
No, that's why I'm here.
That, I'm gonna refer you, that's done through our civil division,
Okay.
which is not here.
But, all right, but it's not civil that I'm inquiring about. It would be.
That's okay, that, they handle all the incoming grammar requests.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you a phone number, they're not in this office.
I should be able to turn it in here though.
You can turn it in here. Yes, but you start the request with them.
Okay, I can't get a form here and then. How about what if I wrote it down?
They're kind of the grandma experts, so I'm gonna give you this phone number.
Yeah, I've got quite a bit of experience with grandma. I've had to file a couple of lawsuits on it.
Yeah, there's probably the form out on the county website. I've never specifically looked, but there's probably something out there.
Okay.
Okay?
But this is the criminal section, correct?
Yes.
All right. I'm trying to find out about what the breakdown is as far as convictions, acquittals, and guilty pleas.
Okay, but you're still wanting to get that information through a grandma request, right? Okay,
Well, unless you can just, unless you happen to have that information.
No, I wouldn't be able to have that
Okay.
and give it to you. So start there.
Is the county attorney in? Or is a county attorney in? I guess it's probably more
Yes,
than
but
one.
they probably wouldn't be able to talk to you until you start that grandma request.
Okay. Alrighty. Well, I appreciate it.
All right?
I was just touring Davis County today as part of a special journalism piece. I appreciate it.